Hello guys, I would like to share my English learning journey with spoken English. Sir had taught us a little bit of English before in the class also, due to which we didn't face much problem in learn English. We went to Sir's house by bus to learn English. Almost 2 months went by. Then in June the school opened, due to which we are not able to go there. But Sir takes online classes so that we don't get stuck in the middle. When I started learning English, I didn't know anything at that time. I didn't have as much knowledge about English as it's today. At first, we stored the vocabulary and learned different types of sentence structure. Gradually, we started making sentences and finally, we learned to make many types of sentences. I would like to thank Sir because Sir made me capable of speaking English in front of you today. So thank you so much, Sir, and thank you so much, guys, for listening to me.
First of all, I would like to tell you thank you because my followers is increasing. When you have added my video on your Insta, Facebook and others. So once again, thank you. And at the same time, I want to tell you that when you had come in our class first time, then I had decided that if I learn English, I will learn English with you because the way of your teaching is something different from others. So, thank you.
I am telling such a situation in which a father motivating his son to go to school. First of all, the father asked his son, "Why don't you go to school? Why don't you want to go to school?" Then the son says, "I don't feel like going to school." Then the father says, "What will you learn if you don't go to school? Don't you want to become something ahead?" Then the son says, "I don't want to be anything." Then the father says, "If you go to school and study well, then you will grow up and earn money by becoming a doctor. If you will earn a lot of money, then only com- you will be able to live a comfortable life." Then son then the son says, "Yes, I will go to school."